ubhizi ulungiselela i-Comrades Marathon. Yintoni eyakutsalela kule race?
Ndizawuthi into eyanditsalela kwi-race i-Comrades ngabantu ababini man. Ukhona ubhuti ekuthiwa Vince kweNgcobo Striders nomnye umntwana bathi nguNande noMatyholo. Babesenza imarathon eBhayi ndisenza u-21. Qha ke kwezinto zojoka ijoke yam I think yayiserious ndikuMatyholo hayi basenza u-42 kilometers ngo-5 hours asoze ndishiye man khawuthi nditreyinele imarathon elandelayo ke ndihambe ndiyobekisa nawe. After my first marathon I did U428. It was Masters Marathon 2022.
Okay.
Everyone was talking about qualifier Comrades. The Comrades yalanyaka August. So everyone was pushing, but I must register for Comrades. But I was saying, no man, it's too early. Leave it. And iNgcobo Striders yayisengumntana ngela xesha yayisengubhebhu oqinqayo ofuna unyuswa. So I just joined and the guys were trying, pushing the club, Vince and Nande, they just started this thing. So I joined them in trying to bring it up. So I ended up being a Comrades runner again.
And how was your first Comrades?
I had fun. I won't lie, it was 2023, down run. I had fun. I did 9:48, so without any expectations. Now that's bonus and
What did you learn like Comrades class?
I was saying I was too cautious.
Okay.
That was the lessons I learned because every hill I was approaching it with caution. Ndingafuni ukubaleka ngamandla isigqibe because ndaninento ekuthiwa Comrades is long. So I kept preserving until the last 20 kilometers when I tried to push ke ngokuba ndibona sub 10 uyaphuma, let me just go for it.
And then ezinye wenza bani ixesha nemedal owayifumanayo?
I've been a Robert Mtali bathathu.
Okay.
In the second one it was an up run. I did 9:22.
Ngoku i-training oyenzayo is it aimed at ukuphucula ixesha lakho okanye ufuna nje uhlala kwamantsheni?
At current rate i-training yam sub 9.
Okay.
Now last year the same training sub 9. Ndabhidiswa nje injonga futhi.
Okay.
Otherwise I was chasing azange futhi.
How are you going to deal with that kule training oyenzayo namhlanje ubaleka 60 kilometers?
I've learned my lessons with Comrades. I think I've paid for those lessons. I'm going there a better person kulonyaka and I'm approaching up run as a better person. I think I know the route now. I know every hill, the Comrades. Even my approach first time I was cautious. I wasted about 15 minutes in the first 30 kilometers, which I caught up. I tried to catch up after Inchanga. I tried to catch up. I caught up because I was left with 1 hour 2 minutes to do 10 kilometers. But Polyshots is Polyshots. I just couldn't do anything with it.
Le route namhlanje, does it give you more strength and empower your ability to deal with Polyshots, Nenchanga, and all these hills?
I think training yet. Let me credit Richard by a combination of routes, not routes zethu in combination. It's planning for the upcoming runs. I won't specifically select today's one. I would combine all of them. Our hill repeats, our long runs. It's a combination which gives you a variety in preparation of what is coming. It's in a combination, even when we do the local marathons, the route to ABCC, it align nalento siyoyenza. So even today's one, it's aligned to e-Comrades Upland. The elevation and all the hills you get from the first 40 kilometers up to N6, it also aligns to Lendo Siapuli.
Abantu baseNgcobo balindele iPB.
It's definitely a PB. I'm not. It's gonna be a PB.
Okay.
Even if I don't get the sub 9 I'm chasing, but it's definitely gonna be a PB. If I miss it, I'll miss it by 10 minutes, 5 minutes. But the plan is not to miss it.
Thank you. All the best, Mama.
Thank you, Put.